Spring sneaker season is all about major holidays, and Jordan Brand always delivers for Chinese New Year and Valentine's Day. In 2026, the spotlight is on the Air Jordan 1 Mid-Valentine's Day edition for grade schoolers, inspired by classic heart candies. This release brings a soft, pastel colorway featuring half blue, pale ivory, and white, giving the sneaker a fresh, playful look. The heel panel is redesigned with oversized curved serrations for extra flair, while woven white laces add a unique touch. Heart candy graphics on the insoles and a heart-shaped branded hang tag enhance the theme, making it perfect for gifting. Jordan Brand didn't stop there. The packaging also gets special treatment with custom paper, a heart cutout on the box, and a from sticker, adding an extra layer of collectible appeal. Fans can expect this Valentine's Day Air Jordan 1 Mid to drop exclusively in grade school sizing in spring 2026.